welcome back to Spotter channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to fix microphone icon missing on not working in the Gboard Google. And for that I will ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the started. First we go to the settings application. Tap on for the settings. And after that, for the next step, as usual, you can slide away until you find about the additional settings. And for the next step, please tap on for the languages and input. Okay, for the next step too, you can go to the manage keyboard. Tap on for the manage keyboard. And let's go to the Gboard. Tap on for the Gboard. Okay, how to make the icon missing is not working in the Gboard. You can slide away until you find out the voice typing, and slide until it has the blue color. And the second one is a voice contribution snippet of your audio's input. The Gboard will be sent to Google to help improve speech recognition technology for everyone. Tap on 2. Okay, after that you can tap for the I'm in. You can slide, and if you agree, a snippet of your audio input on the Gboard will be sent to Google to help improve voice typing for everyone. Tap agree. Okay, now the voice typing symbol or the microphone symbol is access for your keyboard. Let's check it. You can go to the application that make your keyboard is appear for you. I choose for the message. Okay, tap on for the message, one of those. Tap on for the text message. There you can see the have the microphone icon here. And how to make it working again, you can tap on for the microphone, and you can see the allow Gboard to record audio. It means for your microphone is make to work again. You cannot type while using the app. Okay, now tap on for the, and you can go to listening like this. It's work, guys. Okay, this is a tutorial how to fix microphone icon missing and not working in a Gboard Google. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention. Enjoy for this video and have a nice day. Bye.